What up guys, I'm gonna show you a quick video on the fitment of WeatherTech floor liners on the Honda Pilot. I've read some reviews that they do tend to curl over time. I've had mine for a couple months now and I don't have that issue. I'm gonna show you how to install them, how well they fit, with some abuse from a little 5-year-old and a tween. I personally like the WeatherTech versus the OEM liners, just because the WeatherTech has a higher sidewall. They're a bit pricier, but living in the Pacific Northwest, I think it's worth it. All right, so here's the driver's side. Very simple, just slide it in. See, that's perfect fit. And you're gonna see this here. This is what you use to lock it in place. Just turn the knob and it's locked. You have one more down there. Right, that's all it is to it. There we go, locked into place. Here's the fitment. Nice tight fit. I like the high wall, how high it goes. I believe the OEM one goes down here, whereas the WeatherTech kind of goes higher up. That's the driver's side. And we have the same thing for the passenger side. Go ahead and slide it in. We're gonna go ahead and lock it into place. Just like that. And got one more on this side. All right, here's the passenger side. Both locked into place. As you can see, there's the fitment. It goes up there. And again, I had this for a couple months now. And then now I'm gonna show you the second row. Just go ahead and slide it in. Just like that. Go ahead and lock it in place. One right there. Open up the other side and we got one right here. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the fitment. Tucks in nicely under there. Tight fit all around. Right there, I think, is where people have that curling issue. Not bad after 2 months. Again, this is where my 5-year-old stays. That's his chair. Other than that, it's still a tight fit all around. Here's a better look of that curling that everyone talks about. Just a bit of a gap. But then again, if something spills, it doesn't really go through, it gets caught up in here. And here is the third row floor liners. This one you don't have to lock in place. Nice and snug all around. And for the cargo area, I did go with the OEM one just because they do fold. It's a tri-fold. Here it is. I did go with this one because WeatherTech does not have a tri-fold version. That way I can still have protected mats on the back. Go ahead and unfold everything. Just like that. The only downside to this, it does slide. Doesn't lock into place. I wish they had some sort of Velcro under or something, but I guess I can add that myself. It does fit well though. So there's my review for the WeatherTech floor liners, front row, second row, and third row. And I stuck with the OEM Cargo Weather Mats just because they're foldable, just in case I do want to use that third row. Let me know in the comments below if you have something better, something comparable, maybe even cheaper. I'd like to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.